Carla May, I believe the stars align so souls can find another. Whether they are meant to be souls in love or souls in life remains to be seen. We found each other and started being souls in love. Now we are into a new journey to be souls in life for eternity.
It's true. Time doesn't matter when God has destined two people for each other. As you always say to me whenever I have doubts, the stars aligns for us.
For this reason, a man shall leave his father and mother and be joined to his wife, and the two shall become one flesh.
Who have thought this day would come, that you would choose me to be your side for the rest of your life. In fact, you once told me, whether I agree or not, marami po daw nagkakagusto sa kanya. Totoo po ba yun? You said that if you wanted to pursue someone, marami interesado. But despite that, you choose me because I'm the only one you like that time. Ang swerte ko po, and it's true, I'm incredibly lucky to have you, Han. Mabait na at syempre gwapo pa.
I'm not going anywhere. I can't help it. I was running, and I had fire on my heels, on my back, out in the dark. But you told me that I'm beside you. I'm beside you. I'm not going anywhere.
Mark to ask me kung bakit di ako nagkakaroon ng totoo at seryosong relationship back then. Then he asked, oo nga, bakit? And I told you, because I made promise to God, to the Black Nazarene, that I would keep myself pure until the day I marry. I also told you that day, if you're not okay with that, pwede ka na hindi mo balik sa bahay namin para manligaw. But you came back, my honey, and told me that there are more important things in the world. You said you could wait for me because you respect me, and that your love for me goes far beyond any one thing. In that matter, I hope and wish na ikaw na sana yung taong pinagdadasal ko sa Poong Nazareno. You have become a version of my father, someone I can't live without. Every night, I thank God for giving me you. I still wonder what good I've done to deserve someone like you.
When forever comes tomorrow, what has been will always be. everything. So let the words grow in a garden. Hear me now and know the truth. Hear the beating of my heart. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you. Like the sun steady rise, like a secret I can't keep. I've loved you forever, endlessly. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. When forever comes tomorrow, what is there will always be. Time again, my darling, you're what is there will always be. Time again, my darling, you're It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. It's always you. It's always you.